Hi, welcome back. This is Tech Guy, and welcome back to the Python series. Today we will discuss on break, continue, and pass statement in Python. So how we will use in our daily basis life also. So here we will take some scenario. Basic example we'll be taking here. So you consider one thing. Nowadays we'll be purchasing like phone or whatever the materials in online websites like Flipkart, Amazon, or Mitra. Most of the websites are there. Okay. So like if the stock is there, like five stocks is there in five iPhones are there in the Flipkart website. So we just need to check whether the this total five is there or not. So what I will do, I'll write a like if it is not there, like in the sense if it is this stock is over, whatever the message we need to print, how we can check. Like sometimes if you go to ATM also, they will say on a like now right now the stock out of stock something, this kind of message we will get it. So here we will check it. Okay, so here we'll first I'll we can use this break, continue, and pass statements in the like for loop, while loop also. So first we will check through while loop, then later we'll go for for loop also. I'll take like while. Now I just want to know like I less than 5. But before that I just want to know like how we will just count it, like whether this first value, second value. So we just need some counter kind of things, right? So I'll take I equal to 1. And always in the while loop we need to start with 1 only, because we need this value. Then I'll write I equal to less than 5, then I'll write and just I will print I. Okay, in the sorry, in the place of print I will print like some message. I'll print like iPhone. I will print iPhone. Then we need to increment as we have seen in the last video. I, then I plus 1. Even though some of you can write like this also, I plus equal to 1 also, both will work. This is assignment operator. So also you can use it. This one also you can use it. Okay. So now I will execute these lines. See, now I got like I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5, this fifth one will not be included. Now what I'm thinking, I'm just now what we will do. I'm just thinking if the I equal to 3, okay, I'll write some condition. If I value is equal to 3, that time what we need to do? I'll write this column, then I'll print. I will break the statement. I will break that statement. That means it will not print. It will print only this. Like it will print the like 1, 2. As soon as I will get 3, it will not print at all. Like so, it will print only just 2 iPhone value like this. See here, I got like 1, 2. As soon as I get 3, it will not print. If you want, we can print some message also here. Like I will print some message here. Like message will print here like 3. Got it. 3 got it. Like this, I will print some message 3. So I will execute now. See, like this we can see here. As soon as I got this like 3 now, in the place of 3 we'll just print this message like when I'll be having I equal to 3, 3, that time it will break the statement and it will come off that loop. This one we have written with the help of while loop. The same condition I can write with the for loop also. For the for loop, what how we'll write for I in range of, here I'll take the 10. Here I'll take 10. Unit 5 also will take it, no problem. I'll take it. Now I'll write I'll write print of I first. First we will just write normal basic statement we'll write. We'll check whether it's, yeah, it's printing like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's printing. Now what I want like if I equal to I equal to 3, that time I don't need, sorry, I will break the statement. I'll just break the statement. So how it will work? 3 statements, it means I'll get 0, 1, 2. When it will come on the place of 3, it will not print. It will terminate the program there itself on like 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here also if you want to print some message, you can print some message also here like you can print yes or no, whatever. You can print anything message as per your requirement. You can print some message. So like this, you can print like 0, 1, 2. As soon as you get 3, I equal to 3, it will terminate the program there itself only. So this kind, like this, you can use the break statement. Now we have continue. For the continue, how we will use that also we'll see now. Okay, for the continue. Okay, so for the continue, I'll write here. Follow for I in range function we have studied. So I'll just take a value of 10. I'll write here print of I. Okay. So first we will execute these two lines. We'll check it here. See, I'm getting the value now 0 to 10. So 0 to 9 here. Now I'm just thinking I don't need this 5. I need all the values, but I don't need this 5. Or as per your choice, whatever the value you don't need, we'll apply some condition here. So I don't need a 5. After that 5, my 6, 7, 8, 9 should be there. So I'll write some condition like if I equal to 5, then what I'll do? I'll write here continue. Write here continue. That's all. Continue in the sense if I equal to 5, that means this current current value will not be printed. That's all. Current value will not be printed. Other value will be printed. So like this, we'll see here. See, you can see here. See here now 0 to 4 is there. Where is 5? 5 is not there. 6, 7, 9. If I need some message to understand better way, so I'll write some message like not there, not there, 5, like this I'll print. So I'll message print like this. We can see here like see from the place of 5, not there 5. That means this message I'm just printing for. So continue in the sense it will escape the current iteration, the current value which you want to display, and it will escape that line and it will go to the continuous that line like this. And the pass, after that we have like pass statements. The pass what we'll do here, the pass will take like for I in range of like 10 only. So again I will print of I. Now okay, I like, for example, I just want some values like from 1 to 10 range. I have taken the 10 number. Okay, so now I'm just checking on condition the value which is odd number, like okay. So if I if I modulus 2 not equal to 0, okay, that time we need to, I'll show you once what happened first. So you just print like this. So here I'll just execute once, then I'll show you how it's working. See here, here for I in range of 10. That means we have taken the range, so it will start from 0 to 9, it will show, right? Now if I modulus 2 is not equal to 0 means if it is not divided by 2, that means odd numbers, we will be getting the odd numbers. So here we are not taking any conditions. Pass in the sense if you don't know like what kind of message you need to print, okay, that time we can go for any statement pass. See, I'll take one more example here. One more example here for the pass. Okay, if I take like if my statement, if I'll write like 10 is I'll take like this, 10 is greater than 5. So I'll print like some message like I'll print some message, yes, I'll print some message. So it's coming, yes, but now I don't know the condition. What should I take? So I'll write like if I'll take some condition like true or whatever, you can take. You can take in numbers also. But I don't know what message I need. So if I'll print, if I can pass. So I'll write pass here. So if you select and press enter, see, you will not get any error. But your other further statement will be working properly. That time we'll go for pass. Like this, you can use for break, continue, pass. Even though we have other coming videos, in that also we'll be discussing on some differences on like past, continuous and all. Okay. And again, if you haven't doubt about regarding the for loops and while loops, already we have another videos for for loop and while loop. You can go and just watch the videos. I will share the link of those videos in this video description. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.